how to change voice in OBS Studio. So if you want to change your voice in OBS Studio, and if you want to make your streams and recordings more fun and engaging, then before we start, you'll need a voice changer software. There are several options available, but for today's tutorial, we'll be using VoiceMod, which is compatible with OBS and other as well. First, you need to install the VoiceMod. You can search for VoiceMod, and here you will have the VoiceMod official website. You can just go with download for free and then download the VoiceMod. Once you've downloaded, you need to open up the VoiceMod, make sure it's running before you start OBS. In VoiceMod, select the voice effect you want to use. There are plenty to choose from. After that, go to the settings in the OBS, which will be right here on the bottom right. Then select audio and set your microphone input to the VoiceMod virtual audio device. You'll find the option under these drop downs. So you just need to simply go with the drop down right here and then select the VoiceMod virtual audio device. This will allow OBS to capture your altered voice directly. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.